this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your PayPal account. In order to do so, what you need to do, step 1, log into your PayPal account. Step 2, access account setting. The account setting is represented by a gear icon located towards the logout menu. So click the account setting. To locate your email address is under accounts and you will see email. What you have to do is to edit. Click on edit. What pop out, update your primary email. So what you have to do is to change to a new email address. So once you're able to put in your new email address, what you have to do is confirm to change. Under confirm to change, you will receive a notification. Confirm your email by signing into Google. So what you have to do is don't click on the confirm with Google. Click on email a code instead. Once you click confirm to change, you will receive a notification. Enter your one-time code. So what you have to do is go into your new email address and copy the code from your Gmail. The verification code is being sent to my Gmail account and I will have to copy the code sent to me, 231987. 231987. So once the code is being input, you wait for a minute and you will receive a notification saying you replace your primary email. Once your primary email is being reset, what I expected you to do is log out your PayPal account. And log it in with your new email address. Input your password. Once your password is being input, log it in. As you can see, my new email address has been changed. To update other information on your PayPal account, you will still have to go into setting under accounts and change whatever related info towards your old email address to your new email address, like your number and any other setting that you have to do in order for you to change to your new email address. So for now, this is the end of this video on how to change the new email address on your PayPal account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.